Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's combine lasagna and a smashburger, because subtlety is for cowards.
All right, let's make a Bursagna. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we'll make your requests. On one of our recent burger videos, we got a request for a Bursagna. Now look, we've made at least one, if not multiple, cheeseburger flavored lasagnas. So I'm guessing they wanted a lasagna flavored cheeseburger. So that's the plan. We're gonna do our version, see how it works. And without further ado, let's go. So the idea here is to put the lasagna flavors into a Smashburger, and we could be real lazy and just do smash patties and some of the cheesy layer and some sauce. But if we're gonna make it more like a lasagna, then we gotta do, multiple layers. So first things first, we have to make our cheese mixture. So we're gonna go in with, come on. We're gonna go in with a few tablespoons of ricotta, a little bit of grated mozzarella. Good job, Tim. Make sure you get more on the cutting board than in the actual bowl. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax. A little bit of parm. You could use fresh grated parm. I'm just using some of the crappy parm because we're just mixing it into a cheese thing, whatever. We're gonna do a little bit of Italian seasoning and some red pepper flakes, just because. But hey, if you don't like spice, I guess leave those out. And then we pick up whatever we drop. Then we just get this all combined into a nice cheesy layer. Pay no attention to the screaming you hear. I promise it's not coming from my basement.
Dude, we don't even have a basement.
Yeah, we know that, but they don't know that. It's just the kids next door having a good time, jumping around on the trampoline or something. I don't know. All right, there's our cheese mixture. So let's set that aside. Then to make our patties, we're gonna do Smashburger style. So we're gonna do two smash patties. For my smash patties, I like to do 3 ounces each. So just form these into balls. Yep, that's what I said. And then once you have 2 nice balls of meat, then we set this aside. And then lastly, we need a bun. So get out the bun of your choice or the last bun you happen to have in your house, whichever one applies to you. And then we're gonna go, pay no attention to why I'm doing things one-handed. It's because I jacked up my wrist. It's cool, it happens. And then we're just gonna butter these guys. You don't need a whole bunch of butter, just a nice layer so we can get a nice toast on these guys. All right, buns are buttered. Set that aside. All right, so we just lay our bun down, get that nice and toasty. Then as soon as you get a nice golden brown toast, well, let's let that go for another second. Then as soon as you get a nice golden brown toast, go ahead and set that aside. Put down a little bit of oil, beef tallow, whatever you got. You don't need much because the beef should have more than enough. Then we put our guys down, a little bit of parchment paper and a burger press, or just use your spatula, whatever. By the way, if I forgot to mention it, we're on a griddle, but you could use a cast iron pan, a grill, whatever you got. You want probably nice and hot, medium to high heat. We get that nice and smashed, and then we do the same thing on the other guy, parchment paper and smash. And then with Smashburgers, these guys are so thin, we really only need to season one side. So we'll go in with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I'm out of black pepper, so I'm just using white pepper. I know they're different, but whatever. Use black pepper if you have it. Do as I say, not as I do. And when you get a nice crust, flip them. And then we give them each a piece of mozzarella cheese. Right on there. Put a lid on there just to melt that cheese. Then as soon as your cheese is melted, we can go ahead and pull our guys and kill the heat. And we're ready to build. So we take our bun. I was thinking about making tomato sauce from scratch, but I thought, why bother making a whole batch for a few tablespoons? So this is just some jarred sauce. So pick your favorite. Just put down a layer of the sauce on the bottom bun. Let's go ahead and get the top bun as well. We don't want it like spilling out, but you want a healthy amount of sauce. We want to taste all these layers. This is supposed to be kind of like a lasagna and a burger had a baby. A secret love child. Do a little bit more right here. Then we go down with a little bit of our cheese mixture. Okay. And then patty number 1. Followed by a little bit more sauce. Thinner layers on these because we don't want it all to just squeeze out when we take a bite. It's probably already gonna be messy, so no point in making it more messy. I mean, whatever. I guess, what was the old Carl's Jr.? If it's not getting all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face or whatever. I don't know. And then a little bit more of this cheese nonsense. Then I'll do just a nice little tiny bit of sauce on top of there. Then we go with patty number 2. Real light layer of sauce this time. A little bit more of that cheese nonsense. And then we top it with our top bun, and it looks delicious. We made a mess, but that's okay. We made a mess, but that's okay. It looks delicious. And there we have our Bursagna, or our lasagna smashburger. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's stupid how simple it was to make it that good. It really does give you that perfect intersection between lasagna and a smash burger. You get the layers, you get the cheese, you get the sauce, you get the meat. I toyed with the idea of putting some lasagna noodles in there, but I thought you get the carbs with the bread. It's already there. If you wanted like an extra crunch, I guess you could make like a crunchy lasagna. I don't know. Anyways, really, really good. It blends all those flavors. So whoever it was that suggested this, let us know in the comments, because I couldn't find the comment, but I wrote down Bursagna, so that's what we did. And it's delicious. Out of 10. And that's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I accidentally made eye contact with myself in the mirror earlier, and honestly, it got kind of weird.
Well, check it out. We made this Bursagna, or lasagna smashburger, that someone requested. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Wow, that tastes like a burger, and lasagna got married and immediately made terrible financial decisions together.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
You can learn great things from your mistakes when you aren't busy denying them.
Nash approves, I approve. Another awesome burger fusion. Hey, if you ever happen to be craving lasagna and a smash burger, make this. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed this video, go hit the like button. And hey, if you want to check out some of our other cool fusion videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.